Hi guys, welcome to another amazing section of Sell Your Market with Probaba. And on here we have Mena Ujiri. He's an accountant and also a managing partner at Accounts and Data. Mena, good to see you and good to have you here.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I know you're an accountant, and on this platform we have a lot of professionals come up here to tell us challenges they face and also how they can be successful in their niche. So, as an accountant, what are the challenges your clients face in respect to tax and data?
So, personally, I feel most clients, they really do not have the right information.
Okay,
That's the basis of the challenges they face.
the knowledge.
Yes. And because they don't have this knowledge and the right information, they tend to waste money.
Okay.
So, at Accounts and Data, we measure on three basic things. We have audits, we have tax, and we have accounting. So we show that when you look at it, let's say for instance, accounting, if you do not know the numbers of your business, you don't know how much is coming in, how much is going out, you tend to probably overspend because you probably will be expecting, okay, I'm supposed to make, let's say 20 million naira at the end of the month. But because you do not have historical data to back all of this up, you don't have any record, you don't have any accounting records, you probably over budget and make expenses that you probably shouldn't be making.
Okay.
So you don't have any anything to base your decisions on. That's why it's very important that you probably get an accountant to help you with this information that you will be needing for your business.
Okay. Earlier before now, you mentioned three things, which has to do with the account.
Yeah.
What were those three things? Can you briefly explain? Because a lot of people might not really understand audits and what
Tax
was
and accounting.
account. So, can you briefly just explain so they can understand?
Okay, so audit is basically, I would like to say, is most people do it for compliance purposes.
Okay.
So it's like saying if you go to the law court, yeah, and you present your case. Let's say there's a murder case,
Okay.
and we say, my lord, so person killed so person. We are suing to get justice, but it's basically when we're against the other person's word. Person say, no, I didn't do such. Then there's a third party called a witness.
Yeah.
Now the auditor acts as that witness. It's like somebody coming from the outside to say, okay, I was there, or I've looked at these people's record. There is reasonable proof that this and this occurred in the business. So because the auditor is a professional, yeah, there are certain standards, there are certain principles he does and he follows to ensure that, okay, the report is given is generally acceptable by everyone. Because there are certain standards to doing it. So that's basically the role an auditor plays. So basically, what I just explained is for like the external auditors, those companies, large companies, if they can afford it, they get internal auditors who look into day-to-day transactions to ensure that everything, yes, there's a bit of reconciliation with what is going out and what is coming. So day-to-day reconciliation.
So that should be a balance.
Yes, exactly. So it's more like a check and balance. They act as a check and balance into the system. Yeah. But when we're talking about the tax as requirements for the government is compliant, majorly compliant. So government gives me the right to do business. Well, we want to do something, so please, I want to register my business. They give me a date. They're saying, okay, at the end of each period, let's say the month, where you come and pay some sort of money for us to, you understand? So that kind of a thing. So that's where tax really is to help the government generate money for their own operations and the rest.
So do you think paying tax, some business that pay tax, what are the benefits they get? Because a lot of people don't know the benefit attached to paying tax. We all know most businesses don't pay tax too because I think they don't understand really what it could help in their business.
Okay, so the benefits to paying tax, there are lots, but basically, then you say you don't have good hospitals, you don't have good roads. Yeah, this tax money, it's called tax money, what they use to do all these things. So government projects are basically financed, yeah, with all of those things. So, the different tax you pay, the VAT, the CIT, so all of these monies are what they use to do their own infrastructures in the economy and the system. Well, but in a climate like us, I understand that people have reservations with paying tax because like I'm not seeing the usefulness of the tax I'm paying. You understand? So that's why a lot of people still have reservations with paying tax. Other than that, basically the tax money is help is meant to help the government develop finance, develop the economy on a finance projects and all of that.
That's true. That's true. So we've talked about the audit and we talked about
The tax.
the tax. So what's the third one?
The third one is accounting. So accounting has to do with getting relevant information. Relevant information that will help your decision making. But we try to attach in a bookkeeping, which is the day-to-day keeping of this data that will at the end give you the relevant information that you need. So basically, for me, I always tell people that because I will say third world that we are in, a lot of people seem to have manual processes. We're keeping records on paper. It's really not sustainable and efficient. Because who's going to look back in all of those papers and receipts? I
think security-wise too, they are not safe. Exactly. And those materials could be destroyed and you get nowhere to get them back again.
Exactly.
So I think security-wise is not even advisable because technology is
advancing.
Yeah, it's advancing. Computer age is more of helpful to us. What do you think?
Yeah, so because of what you just said, I always insist or I try to recommend a software for each of my clients. So from my experience, I would say there is one software that fits all, depending on kind of business and what your requirements are. So what your needs are, how do you sell your market, how do you purchase. So those basic information, your operational activities, will give me an insight on the kind of software that will be suitable for your business. Because there's no one size fits all in the market.
That's true. That's true. So accounting as a whole, it has to do with record keeping, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can any business do without accounting? Because I know of some business, they just keep running it that way so far as the inflow of the finance is coming in and going out. They really don't keep data or they don't keep. So what harm would that cause to the business?
So while I understand that a lot of businesses are running without quote unquote accountants, they are doing some form of accounting. Okay. So if the average market woman goes to the market and purchases a basket of tomatoes for let's say 1,000 naira, in her head she will say, no matter what I do, I won't sell this thing for 1,500. Even if that's spot loans, whatever there is left, she will show it and calculate it and probably get 1,500. Maybe you sell at 200 or whatever it is to get 1,500. That's accounting. She probably did not sit down somewhere and say, okay, this is my cost of goods sold, this is my sales and all of that. But by choice or by whatever, she has done accounting. So you can't say a business survive without accounting. It's simply not possible because the soul of doing business is probably to offer value and get returns, get money, get profit. So if you are not profitable, I really don't know when you would be doing. So that's so an accounting makes you understand that okay, this is how much profit I'm making. What else can I do to improve? Do I need more? Yeah. So I feel every business does accounting one way or another, consciously or unconsciously.
Okay, that's cool. What about small business that are not able to afford an accountant? What do you have to say about that?
So for small businesses that cannot afford accountants, just making reference to the example with the bowl of tomatoes, one thing I would like to say is I advise such businesses to probably use their bank as their control measure. So you can have a designated account. Even if you don't have a registered business name or a company yet, you can separate one of your accounts, investment accounts everywhere. Just open one. Know that whatever inflow with regards to your business that's coming to you goes to that account. Whatever expenses you're making for the sake of the business goes out on that account. So that way, when you see your balance, you know that okay, it's basically a rough estimate of your inflows and your outflows, and gives you an idea if you're making profit or not. Making progress, whichever.
That's true. That's true. Man, we've learned a whole lot. Yeah. So, what advice do you have to give to the business people out there in regards to accountants?
So one very funny thing and interesting thing here is they feel like they really don't need accountants. Why Brian need accountants? It's very common. The only time I mostly get consultations and where probably the tax people, they knock at their doors and they give you, and you know the funny thing, they give you what they call a desk review because you really don't have any records. They can just ask from the bank statement, look at all your inflow and say, okay, this is how much you're owing us in taxes. Wow. And they say, okay, you come to me, you want me to probably provide you with the proper financial statement. There's no records to help probably reduce the tax because trust me, the tax man is not going to give you when you're meant to pay. They're probably going to overstate whenever they overstate your revenue, they overstate your taxes that you're meant to pay. So give you extra charges, which you normally wouldn't owe if you had done the right thing. And the annoying part is sometimes even the penalties that is accrued over time because you probably have not filed for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It's even more than sometimes more than a tax that you're actually meant to pay. And people feel like getting the professional is expensive. But I say no, even the penalty money probably we cover the consultation you're paying. So why not do the things the right way? And to actually help in business, if you're filing for international travels and loans and what have you, even government projects, you need tax clearance, you need all of these things to complete your application process and your document. So it's good to do all of this. So I've read, first of all, the penalty. You ensure that, okay, we are doing things. And but even on a month-to-month basis, you need information to run your business. So I would say I advise that anybody that is doing a serious business should probably get an accountant. Even if it's not full-time, maybe on a retainer level or some steps that they can consult and make it. What am I doing? How can I improve? What else can I do in the business? When you see the numbers, you probably get insights. Okay. But without information, you're just running blind.
That's true. Then for those that cannot get, should use their bank.
Yes, as a control measure.
Control measure. Oh, that's good. Oh, Mena Ujiri, I enjoyed this section so much.
Thank you very much.
And I hope to have you here some more. Thank you for coming around.
Thank you.
Probabafx shop for you.